This is a tripod which I purchased from Amazon for £17. It is over 4-star rated and has over 150 reviews, and I will be unboxing this today. There's not much going on in terms of design on the box, and as you can see from the damage, the box is pretty weak, but nonetheless there is still a tripod inside. Looking at the information provided, this has been manufactured by a company called MPOW. It has a total height of 57 inches and it is a universal phone holder. The ultimate test for this would be if it could hold a heavy phone at the 57-inch height. So let's go ahead with unboxing this. So what you get in the package, you get the user manual which shows how to use the selfie stick. You get the remote control, which I'm assuming it connects to your device via Bluetooth, and you can then use this to take pictures. And then what you get here is the phone holder which connects to the tripod, and here you have the tripod. Firstly, if you have a look at what we get in the package for the controller, you get a strap to put around your wrist, and you get the control itself. On the side here you have a switch to turn it on and off. At the front here you have the button which you press to take the selfie image, and right here it looks like it's supposed to be like a light or something, but it's missing and I can see right through it. But I'm not bothered because I won't be using this as much. Then we have the phone holder, which is a hard plastic and doesn't look very cheap. It's not very easily bent, and this here rotates 360 degrees, and you loosen it from the back here and you tighten it from here also. Now to open this up to put the device in, it's not one of those where you pull it, you have to twist it from here, and looking at this, if you keep twisting it, it does open up quite large, so you would be able to fit one of the larger phones in here. And now we come back to the tripod, and I must say on first impressions I am very impressed. These legs are made out of metal. I was expecting these to be made out of plastic. You pay £17 for a tripod. I mean, what a bargain. And here we have these height adjusters. All you do is just unclip them, adjust the height, and you clip them back into place. This again is made out of metal. The clips are made out of plastic, but the stick is made out of metal. The tripod does have some weight to it and it feels very solid. Now to open this up, all you do is just pull on the leg and it just comes sliding down, and you can adjust it to whatever height you want it to be. And just to tighten it, you turn this here and it just holds it in place. So the ultimate test for this would be if it can hold a heavy phone at the highest height. So here we have the tripod at the 57-inch height, and right here at the top I have an iPhone 12 Pro Max. It is a large phone, and I've put the tripod at an angle of 90 degrees, and as you can see it's holding it very well. Even if I give it a bit of a nudge, a slight nudge, which sometimes if you walk past you might end up hitting it, still doesn't fall over. So overall guys, I am really impressed with this tripod, especially with the amount of metal that has been used, and it has certainly beat my expectations. I would really recommend this if you're a new YouTuber and you want something cheap. I would really recommend this if you're on a low budget and you want to make videos using a tripod. This is the tripod to get. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.